On behalf of the St. Thomas Renaissance Foundation, to hand over in honor of Miss Ellen Wynter, in memory, some 15 Chromebooks to the Barking Lodge Primary School.
This morning is an awesome day for all the Barking Lodge Primary family, school family. We want to thank the Renaissance Foundation. We want to thank Councillor Michael MacLeod. We want to thank the Wynters for enabling us to get these Chromebooks, 15 of them. And I know they will assist our students to research, do homework, also enhance our teaching and learning with the teachers, being able to get content from the internet and using the laptop to further develop our students.
My main concern was thinking about internet access to the school. How are you going to use these books without internet ready? I observed that from about 8 years ago, they started their computer lab there, and I see it's still unfinished. This is the time, Madam Principal, you have the chairman of the school board, and you have your counselor. Now for you to lobby for them to have their lab ready, that you can get even more desktop computers, that you can enhance learning capability for the children here. So when you get opportunities like these, utilize it. Don't make it slide through your hands.
I would just like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Michael MacLeod and the Wynter family for this kind donation of 15 Chromebooks. This will go a very far way in our learning experience for Barking Lodge. Having realized that there are issues regarding internet service in Barking Lodge, I have taken the time to research and found out that there is a way for us to have superb internet here. So I personally will be providing Starlink internet for the Barking Lodge family, where you won't have any form of delays, and we will have superb internet service. In addition, you can't have computers without printers. So I therefore will be providing 3 printers to the Barking Lodge family and the school so that we can print whatever needs to be printed.
I'm feeling really good. I'm overwhelmed because we really needed the computers to enhance teaching and learning, for children to be more acquainted with technology. So we're really happy for getting these computers today.
And I'm speaking on behalf of the entire Wynter family. And as a past student, my uncle rightfully state, he saw that there's an issue with the lab. So what we intend to do is to adapt that lab.